Hello everyone, today I have a nice integral for you. Let's solve it. If I have the integral of 0 from 2 pi square root of 2 minus 2 cosine of x dx, we want to find the answer. So for the first step, you have to know that if you have an integral of a from a to b fx dx, imagine the answer is gx from a to b, and the final answer will be equal gb minus ga. Now, for our integral, I can factor 2 and write integral of 0 from 0 to 2 pi square root of 2 times 1 minus cosine of x dx. And you know that 1 minus cosine of x is equal 2 times sine of x over 2 square dx. And you know that the answer will be equal integral of from 0 to 2 pi 2 times the absolute value of sine of x over 2 dx. But here you have to know the absolute value is a positive or negative. So let's do this. Here I have a circle, and you know that when x is bigger than 0 and less than 2 pi, between 0 and 2 pi, the sine of x is bigger than minus 1 and less than positive 1. But here I have x over 2 that's bigger than 0 and less than pi, and we know that the sine of x over 2 is bigger than 0 and less than positive 1. Why? Because from 0 to pi the sine of x is positive. Now I can write our integral with that absolute value. Why? Because that was positive. Now I have integral from 0 to 2 pi 2 times sine of x over 2 times dx. And here we know that integral of sine of ax dx is equal minus 1 over a times cosine of ax plus c. If I use this point, our answer will be equal, here we had 2 times minus 1 over 2, because we have x over 2 here, times the cosine of x over 2, and final answer will be equal minus 4 times cosine of x over 2 from 0 to 2 pi, and we put 2 pi in our function and 0 in our function, and we subtract them. So I can factor minus 4 times cosine of 2 pi over 2, that's equal pi. So I can write cosine of pi minus, if I put 0 here, I can write cosine of 0, that I write it here. And you know that the cosine of pi is negative 1, I write here, and cosine of 0 is positive 1, and we have negative here. Why? Because we had negative here too. And we have minus 4 times minus 2 here, and it's equal 4 times 2, and final answer will be equal 8. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.